Your toilet is the most used and the most necessary seat in your entire home, and that seat can become very dangerous, especially if you are recovering from an injury, illness, losing some mobility, stability. The toilet then can become very dangerous, and a great solution is adding toilet rails so you have arm support to get up and off that toilet. At Nova, we have 3 great options. We have 2 that attach directly to your toilet and 1 that is a standalone frame. So be proactive with your toilet and prevent falls and make going to the bathroom much easier. The Nova toilet safety rails attach directly to your toilet, and they fit on all toilets, standard and elongated. And the nice feature about these rails is they also work for toilets with varying heights. So that's what these adjustable legs are for. That way you can have the arms nice and level. Also, if you're adding a toilet seat riser, you can adjust the legs so your arms are even. All right, I love these toilet rails because it gives you that leverage and support on the toilet. So then you can grab onto the rails to get down, gives you support and security, and then also getting up off that toilet. These handrails are so important and make going to the bathroom much easier and safer. There's a nice contour here that I love. That kind of gives my arms a nice comfortable grip here. And these arms here are also durable plastic and very easy to clean. All right, now I'm going to show you the very quick and easy assembly. We are going to now mount the bracket. And mounting the bracket, you're going to remove the toilet seat. You're going to unscrew the screws that attach the toilet seat onto your toilet, attach the mounting bracket, insert the screws back through with the mounting bracket, and then complete the assembly. Next, you're going to attach the legs together and the arms. And you're going to see that they come in 3 pieces. So first, attach the arm frames together. And it's just done with an easy wing nut. Next, you're going to attach the legs, also with a push button, and you're going to adjust the legs to your desired height. And just make sure that that push button comes outward on that hole. All right, now that your arm frame and legs are put together, you're going to attach the arms. This is the standard width of the toilet arms, but then you can also extend it on either side to make it about 3 inches wider. The other feature I also like about it is that it's so easy to remove both arms. So if you don't want these toilet rails in your bathroom all the time, and you just want them for someone's visit, you can easily remove these arms, keep the mounting bracket on there, and then it's so easy to put the arms back in here, and then attach it into place with the wing nut. All right, that is the Nova toilet rails, and of course they come with the assembly, use, and care information, our warranty information, and most importantly, how to contact us anytime.